All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Mint Door Livestream. I'm super excited to be here. I'm Laura Schwent.
And I'm Karen Tyndall.
And today we're welcoming Shannon Blackmon. Thank you so much for being here, Shannon.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me.
You know, you are a CFP, which Certified Financial Planner, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you enlighten and empower audiences across the country to expand their money mindsets and their money stories through your financial well-being presentations. That is so cool.
Yeah. And not only that, Shannon, but it's helping other people not only survive day to day, but flourishing and living full and prosperous lives. That's your goal for your people you work with.
Yes. That's what I want to see.
Awesome. Well, highly trained in financial and investment management, you enjoy co-creating, and I love that word, co-creating financial plans with your clients, well-being at their center. So I'm excited to dig into this. Welcome, Shannon, to our live stream where we're going to talk a little bit about money.
Yay. My favorite subject.
One of my favorite subjects. It's good that it is your favorite subject because for so many people, money is a taboo topic. It's an uncomfortable one. People don't like talking about it. But why don't you share with everybody why you like talking about money?
Maybe I like it because it is taboo, right? And people might think that I work with money, but really I'm working with human beings and discovering their goals, their values, what's most important to them. And that's really fascinating to me because there is a specific money psychology where someone is living in abundance. They understand the way the money system works. They have a long-term view of how money works. And they're living according to their purpose. And so that's the thing that's really fascinating to me about that. And then money is just the tool to fund our contentment. I love that.
I like that. That doesn't sound taboo at all.
No. But sometimes we can grow up with the idea that money isn't talked about. And that's kind of a big thing. That's a big thing. It's a very pervasive money script that we don't talk about money. And I love busting taboos and breaking myths. I think it's so much fun.
Awesome. Well, we wanted to bring you on to this live stream today because you have something extremely valuable coming up very soon that deals a little bit with this money mindset. Can you tell us a little more about that?
Yes, I'm so excited about Reset Your Money Mindset workshop coming up. I'm just thrilled about it because I'm able to share with people what I've learned about money psychology and also my knowledge of the money system in a way that'll work for them. And so we're going to be doing journaling exercises. We're going to delve really deep into our life vision. We're going to investigate our money scripts. And not in a way to like blame the previous generation or anything, but so that we can know that we are creating our meaning in this moment. So it's going to be really, really powerful. And then I'll also share what I know about the money system as far as, what your investor psychology is and even how to set up a spending map based on your values. So it's exciting.
That does sound really exciting. And it doesn't sound, it sounds like fun and not taboo. I like that.
Yeah. Right. It'll be a lot of fun.
Yeah. Awesome.
It's making it into something that is comfortable and people feel like able to approach that topic. So if someone attends or when somebody attends your workshop, how do they feel afterwards? What differences do you see?
Well, I want them to feel empowered. I want them to be inspired. And I want them to feel ready to take action. I want them to feel energized and ready to go forward with their plan. Because, and that's why I say co-create a plan together, because I can, as an advisor, just come up with a plan that makes good sense on paper. But if the person doesn't have the energy to go implement that plan, then it's useless. So what I want is like that buildup of great positive energy where you're just overflowing with purpose and your own values, and then that bursts forth into a plan that makes you really, really happy. So that's my goal.
That sounds great. And I'm curious if someone's on the fence, like, this money thing is still a little scary. Maybe they don't feel like they know enough to join, or they're just a little bit on the fence about joining your workshop. What is one nugget that you could give them today?
Well, I just want them to feel empowered. And one thing I've been thinking about is let's reframe retirement. So Serena Williams just recently announced her retirement from tennis, but she said she always hated the word retirement. She said that it sounds like an old-fashioned word, not a very modern word, and that what she could maybe best describe herself as what she's going through right now as evolution. And I couldn't agree more. I think that that's a really empowering thing to just say, let's reframe retirement. Instead of talking about what we're retiring from, let's start thinking about what we're evolving to. So I think this is going to be a powerful mindset shift, and I'm excited to explore this with you.
Ooh, that sound, I'm in. That's it. I'm on it.
That feels good, doesn't it? Yeah.
I've never liked the word retirement either. And I love that change, that mindset change to evolve. Thank you for sharing.
Do you think it's because retirement makes you think of older people? And yet, hopefully, everybody themselves doesn't feel that old to be thinking about that, which is why evolution is like, I love that term. I'm just going to evolve.
Yes, let's evolve and have evolvement accounts. I like that.
Right. Well, and I love that, and a lot of what you talk about has to do with abundance mindset and growth mindset. And certainly just switching that word from retirement to evolve does feel more like growth, like the evolution. It's really
right. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, how do people sign up for this valuable workshop?
Well, you can come to resetyourmoneymindset.com and register and learn more. So resetyourmoneymindset.com.
Fantastic. Well, I think that this is something so needed, and especially right now, there's a lot of uncertainty around money and financial things. And so this would be something that you could attend and bring a little more certainty to your outlook on money. And I think that I'm excited that you're doing this for people and changing our thought patterns around money and how we can succeed with it. So thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for having me here. This is amazing. Yeah. Lots of fun.
All right. So again, Shannon Blackmon, she's a certified financial planner, and she's having Reset Your Money Mindset on Friday, September 23rd. What are the time parameters of the workshop?
Yeah, so it's going to be from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Pacific and 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern.
Okay.
But lots of breathing breaks and bio breaks in between.
Awesome. Fantastic. And it is virtual, right? So, okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic. All right. And so, the website to sign up is down below. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate. You can contact Karen or I, and we can put you in touch with Shannon. And if you want to just get in touch with Shannon, we'll make sure her contact information is down below as well. So, all right. Thanks, everyone, for being on the Mint Door Livestream. We will talk to you soon.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.